So one afternoon, I decided to find my bicycle inside the garage so that way I could change the tires and ride it. It was a bunch of bicycles, but I find my own, which is the red one. It's the red polygon bike, and I changed the tires to a new tire since it popped last time, and it's my first time riding it in a while. I opened the garage door in order to take it outside. Once I take it outside, I immediately ride it, test it for a while, and I made a few turns. The tires weren't that bad, but then something was off. I stared at the bike, and I realized something. I should add something of my own. So, I decided to add a gun.
Press start.
So these are all the components in order to build the system. These components might change over time, and some of them you might not even see in this list. So yeah, just keep that in mind. The first item on our list is the Arduino Uno, which is basically a microcontroller that controls the entire system. This is its other variant, which is the ESP8266, which has Wi-Fi on it. And this is the distance sensor, or also known as the ultrasonic sensor, which senses distance. And this is a servo motor, which is just a servo motor bigger and stronger than its other blue variant. And this is an LCD screen, which is basically a liquid crystal display. And yeah, this thing can show whatever you want it to show. This is an adapter which allows me to only use 4 pins instead of a bunch. And this is LEDs, which is basically small little light bulbs. So for the plan, we're going to actually demonstrate how it actually works, unlike the last video where I kind of just like show you guys the thing I made off camera, and after that we start the montage immediately. I think, I don't really know, I didn't check the old video, but yeah, we're gonna actually explain how it works, and after that we're gonna move on to the montage and actually building it. So yeah, this is how it actually works. So I'm drawing a diagram. So this diagram will show how it actually works. Now, the first thing is that this is the power source. We're gonna put the power source in a power bank, and we're gonna connect it to the Arduino Uno or the Arduino ESP8. And after that, we're gonna connect these to these 4 things, which is the LCD, the ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, and the light bulbs or LEDs. So basically, what's going to happen is that the ultrasonic sensor is gonna sense something in front. So we're gonna draw something in front over here. The ultrasonic sensor sends something, and then it bumps back to here, and it'll be like, aha, I sense something. Once I sense something, the ultrasonic sensor is going to send the signal back to the board. After it goes to the board, it immediately displays like a distance meter. So basically, if the object is in a distance range for more than 10 seconds, and the countdown is going to show, so that way the person behind would know how much time they have left before the green LED turns to red LED, and then the servo motor is gonna release a mechanism that's going to shoot a bullet straight to their face. So technically, if you're behind me, and then you've been behind me for too long, which probably only robbers do, so this thing's gonna shoot them like straight to their face. And that's how it basically works. What's funny is that the coding part of this project, I basically just opened my previous projects and opened the Arduino IDE forum, and after that I just copied whatever there is to fit into my own needs, and I just changed the code a little bit and I added some stuff, but I didn't use any AI thingy, which is actually pretty impressive for me since I never actually done something this practical before. So yeah, I guess it was an upgrade. Guys, I'm done with the system and currently it works. First try with no chat GPT. I'm not even joking. So yeah, this is the next day since I was pretty lazy to do the building process and like the day where I did the coding stuff, and plus it was very late that time, so I had to do it the next day. And finally, we're back. And yeah, let's start building. So I did a lot of things off camera, but the main build is basically done. So let's move on to the showcase. And so yeah, I guess that's the entire video. What do you learn from this video? Well, sometimes things can just go and work, but you sometimes need to, upgrade it, because if not, lol, the seat took off. And anyways, all funny stuff aside, if you really do enjoy the video, please subscribe and leave a like, or click on any of these videos. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, or what playlist I'm gonna put, whatever I put, you can click any of those. And if you want me to do more projects that you like to see, you could comment down below. So yeah, that's a thing